So good day everyone. For today's video, I will show to you my all about myself web page. So this is the design of my web page entitled all about myself. This is me, that's my face. This is my name. This is the address where I lived. This is my gender, my height, my weight, and this is the description telling what person I am, and this is my favorite saying. So how did I end up with this design? Since it's a basic HTML and CSS code, I only use these tags and elements to come up with this web page design. So here in my code, this is the title. You can see this one here, the upper part of the browser, and then this one, this code is what we call the CSS. This is what we call the CSS of the HTML part, which give the design, this color, this dimension of the pictures or the size, and so on. So in this part of the HTML code or our HTML structure, this will be the one who will give the text or displaying the text here in your or in my home page. Here we could also change the color of the text or the font style and so on. So this will be my code and output of the all about myself web page.